Real one here. Well, I finally got around to doing some more work on the DIY motorcycle camping box, or chuck box, whatever you guys want to call it. So what I've done is I've actually got the interior finished. I'll give you a look at that. Look at this. I haven't got the chain on there yet, but I've got a little bit of stuff in there to see how it's going to go. And there's my little stove, gas bottles. I left enough room for 2 gas bottles, so that way I can push it all the way in, and I can get my hand in there to pull them out. The bottom drawer, I mean, I just got utensils and stuff in there at the moment, so that's, you know, I've got a billy can and I've got the 2 cups. I mean, I've got a lot more room to put everything. I've got a fry pan down below there. I haven't got the chain for the door yet. I actually forgot to do that. It's Father's Day here in Australia today, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers and mothers doing the jobs. Hope you have an awesome day. Still daylight out there. So yeah, I haven't got around to doing that yet. So the only thing I made is, you guys might have known, yeah, I ballsed up. I cut one end too short. But anyway, doesn't matter. I've got plenty of more over in the stash over there. I'll cut a new shelf for it. Well, that's pretty much it. Down the bottom, I've got the fry pan. I'm going to have, so I've got some plastic plates, and I've got bowls and all the other stuff to go in as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that up the top there. I might put that stuff in that shelf and put the food up in there. And the plates and the bowls and all fit in there, no problems at all. I've already tried that earlier. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring them outside, so anyway, it doesn't matter. My kettle doesn't fit, but again, I'm not too worried about that. So there you go, guys. I just got to decide what colour I'm going to paint it, or do I just put a big coat of lacquer over it and just leave it natural? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, guys, and I'll see what happens. I'll see what I can do. But yeah, that's it for the time being. I'll do another update when I get some chain, and when I work it out, I'm going to paint it and all that sort of stuff. So I'm going to call it sort of done, almost. But anyway, that's it for now. Stay safe, play safe, and have fun. Bye.